Hey guys, this is new bike check. We're gonna start off with the grips. I'm running Animal Edwin grips. They're pretty good. Um, Got them for a while now. Pretty soft. Got Animal bar ends that come with them. Pretty big Odyssey space bars. I like them a lot too. A Sputnik realm stem and a Sputnik headset. A Miraco fork. Maxxis tires front and rear. I have the Sputnik Space Cobra frame, profile cranks with a titanium spindle, a stolen roulette cassette hub, a Snaparola 25T sprocket. I got a Odyssey quadrant front wheel, a stolen roulette cassette rear wheel with the 90 driver. Got the Shadow Slimmer seat, it's padded, a Sputnik post, Black Label plastic pedals. I like them a lot too. Um, my bike weighs 22 pounds 7 ounces, and yeah, that's my bike.